Hey guys, EG Chris here. On a beautiful day, I got my car out finally, so we get a full look of it. Let's check her out. As you guys can see already, K24 A2, my TSX. You already know that, but I mean, not that you guys don't know what an EG looks like, but here's a passenger side. It's original paint. Could use a good buffing, but it's all right. Here's the back of the car. Took the exhaust out in the last video, so nothing coming out the back. A little flaw here on the bumper. Would like to get that changed eventually. Inside, DX cluster and a heap of messes. I think I'm gonna have to take all this D series crap out, but this was just for the first start, so we still got plenty of cleaning up to do. And for today, I think we're gonna paint up this rad support, top and bottom. Maybe mock up the radiator and finally put it in. Let's go. I'm gonna just touch this up. That's it. So I know the radiator position's good, so I'm going to tighten up this lower half of the intake manifold for good. Real simple. 2 nuts, 3 bolts. Throttle cable and the throttle cable bracket. I know some people use a GSR cable, maybe they use some from K series or a Ktuned one. In my case, I use the factory one. I'm using a cord throttle body and a cord bracket with the cruise control part cut off. I'm using stock RBB manifold, so maybe that's why the cable works, but anywho, let's put it on. All the way down, closed, open, good. Hook up the connections to throttle body. Pay close attention because TPS sensor has a red wire, black stripe, and it's easily mistakable for the map sensor, which is a green with a red. They both plug into one another, so make sure you pay attention to that, guys. Day after the Super Bowl. Yesterday I cut it a little short. I had to go watch the game, but today we're gonna go finish it. Let's get started. What's up? Looks pretty good. I mean, no one's really gonna see this, but it looks good to me. This part here kind of touched up a bit. It's still wet. I think this could use a little bit better prep, but it's not that bad. As you can see, I bent this tab in. It's pretty flush, and test fitted the radiator and it looks good, so let's put it in for good. Have the slim fan radiator that came with it. I wanted to use the OEM one, it just would not fit with the K series manifold, so this one will have to do. That's it. It's too easy. Now the Ktuned radiator brackets come with this top radiator stay, and this simply just goes on here, goes over here. There is a threaded hole, and I know a lot of people talk about being able to use it. In my case, I was not able to. What I did was I got a 10mm bolt, I threaded it in and created its own threads, and then I took the hardware from the Ktuned kit and simply threaded it in. Now that the radiator's in place, we can make our test fit here with the radiator and our hose. So this hose, as previously stated in my parts unveil, it's from an Equinox, and it fits damn near good without trimming anything, but I'm gonna have to trim this maybe a good 2 inches or so. Then even so, after that, I'm still gonna have to figure out where I'm gonna run my intake. But as of now, it's still things I want to figure out. But at least we know that this hose will work, just at least to get the car going. Now let's test fit the bottom. This lower hose is from a 2000 Chevy Lumina, and my thermostat housing here is factory K24, which points upwards. A lot of people tell you, oh, you need to switch to the K20 because it goes downwards. But thanks to a buddy of mine, I'll do a shout out at the end of the video. He told me I'd be fine with this hose, and sure enough, he is 100% right. Fits perfect. Won't even have to trim or nothing. Goes in like OEM almost. Step closer to getting the car driving. Getting excited, but I'm trying not to rush into things. Still provide some decent content for you guys. Special thanks goes out to K Bros, K Power Performance, for mentoring me a little bit and telling me some things about Ks. Shout out to Aaron, I don't know how to pronounce her last name. I'll link all three of you guys. Special thanks to my wife, of course, for helping me record and also supporting me in my build. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Check out the Instagram, egchris92. Thank you.